Measurement of large distances. Size of molecules. Dear students, as of now, we have learnt about direct methods and parallax method of distance measurement. So now, can we use these methods for measuring the distances of minute particles of the order of 10 raised to minus 8 meters to 10 raised to minus 10 meters? The answer is no. For that, we have to use some special techniques. Here are some of these techniques. First, by use of optical microscope. Unlike simple microscope, an optical microscope uses visible light for observing the minute particles. With the help of optical microscope, it is possible to measure the distances between range 4000 angstrom to 7000 angstrom. Second, electron microscope. In electron microscope, an electron beam is properly focused by electric and magnetic fields so as to view the object. With the help of this microscope, it is possible to measure distances of the order of 0.6 angstrom. And hence, it is useful to resolve the atoms and molecules. Next is tunneling microscope. Tunneling microscope measures the distances even smaller than 1 angstrom. Thus, it is used to measure the sizes of atoms and molecules. Now, there are some special methods which are used to measure the size of minute particles. Let us see how we can measure the size of oleic acid molecule. For that, we need oleic acid, alcohol, photolycopodium powder and scale. First, dissolve 1 cm cube of oleic acid in 19 cm cube of alcohol to make solution of 20 cm cube. Then, take 1 cm cube of this solution and add it to 19 cm cube of alcohol again. The concentration of resulting solution becomes 1 by 20 into 20 cm cube of oleic acid per centimeter cube of solution. Now find the volume of 1 drop of this solution. Let it be V centimeter cube. Now, take water in a plate and sprinkle some lycopodium powder on it. Put some drops of the solution in water. Suppose you drop n number of drops. These drops will spread over the surface of water and form a circular shape of thickness T. Now, measure the diameter of this circular shape and find its area. We know that area equals to 2 pi r equals to pi d. Let the area be a centimeter square. Here, it is interesting to note that the thickness of circular shape is equal to molecular size of oleic acid molecule. So let us try to find this thickness. For this, consider volume of one drop equal to V centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of n drops will be n into V centimeter cube. Amount of oleic acid in volume of 1 centimeter cube equals to concentration of the solution, which is equals to 1 by 20 into 20 centimeter cube. Therefore, amount of oleic acid in volume of n into V centimeter cube equals to n into V into 1 upon 20 into 20 centimeter cube, which is equals to NV upon 20 into 20 centimeter cube. Also, we know that thickness equals to volume upon area. Therefore, by putting the values, we get NV upon 20 into 20 whole divided by A gives NV upon 20 into 20 into A centimeters. Thus, the thickness gives the diameter of a oleic acid molecule. Approximately, this thickness comes out to be 10 raised to minus 9 meters.